What if we told you that the greenest air conditioning was invented 700 years ago and that it was able to cool buildings by 12 degrees Celsius with no electricity? Meet the city of Yazd in Iran, one of the hottest places on Earth, reaching temperatures of 50 degrees Celsius every summer. In order to deal with these extreme conditions, when people had nothing but natural means to ventilate their spaces, they came up with this system called a wind catcher. A wind catcher looks like a tall chimney, usually with 2 or more open sides. The system is very simple. It catches the breeze that blows above ground level and channels it down into the house below. This displaces warm air that is expelled through the opposite face of the wind catcher. Sometimes they are combined with the qanats, narrow underground galleries that carry water to buildings and that provide further cooling when in contact with the incoming